There's a place in your heart, and I know that it isn't love. And this place could be much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'd find there's no need to cry. In this place you feel there's no heart of sorrow. Yeah, yeah. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living, to make a little space, to make a better place, and heal the world and make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying if you care enough for the living.